In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NovaTrade Plus. Now, the first thing you'll need is a NovaTrade Plus account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 20% cashback on all trading fees when trading meme coins. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You will not regret it. So this new Nova Plus over here, which is the Nova Dex here, which is basically from the same developers who actually created the NovaTrade bot on Telegram for meme coins, they now created the whole DEX, and it's actually very easy to use and very efficient. Now, what you have to do first, of course, whenever you create your account, you want to go ahead up here to the top right to your wallets, my account, and then wallet manager. And you want to generate your wallet you want to use, and then of course export and save your private keys, and then you want to actually deposit onto your account some Solana so we can start trading. Now, whenever you do this, of course, this is the first step, and then to actually use the platform, this is how we can actually use it. I'm going to do a quick guide on its functions right now. So here you have the Cosmo, which basically is kind of the real-time feed of tokens throughout their lifespan. So here you can see you have the newly created tokens, you have the about to graduate meme coins, and then the graduated coins as well. So of course you have different ones over here. You can see what it looks like, which ones are getting created, migrated, which ones are about to graduate, etc. And then over here you have the search box, which basically will allow you to search tokens within a specific category. This one will allow you to actually set filters for newly created, about to graduate, and graduated coins. And there's going to be a bunch of different filters on here. So as you can see, there's really a lot of different things you can use here to actually filter out the meme coins. And this one over here is basically going to give you a specific ping or ding over here pretty much every single time something new happens over here. Okay, so of course you can set this if you want to, or you could just mute it. Like for me over here, as you can see, I've set it on none and nothing is happening. Okay, so I don't want it to ping all the time, so I'm just gonna close this right now. There we go. And then over here you have the quick buy button. Now here you can select how much you want to quick buy, and then you can just click on this button and it's going to quick buy it for you, okay, which is of course awesome. Up here you also have this option. When you click on it, you can change this display here to whatever you want it to be. So you could change how it actually looks like, if you want it to be like massive, normal, etc. So you could do whatever you want. Let me actually refresh this, because sometimes it does kind of have to refresh whenever you update some things on here. And then of course you'll get the access again whenever you refresh it. And yeah, this is how Cosmo actually works. Okay, now as I said, you can change a bunch of different things in here, and then also customize it yourself. Select the button colors, select a bunch of different things here really, so you can just select whatever you want. Here you have the data, so you could customize your rows, the metrics, you could set different colors, etc. You could also customize the layout however you want it to look, and then the theme as well. So they have a bunch of different themes. You can select which one you prefer. On here you also have the presets, so which preset you want to use, and then you have this button which basically will allow you to set different slippages, auto tips, priority fees, buy tips, etc. And of course turn on or off this smart math protection, and you could also set the quick sell settings or customize it all together. Okay, now of course you could set these however you want, and then just select whichever preset you want, which is also amazing. And you could also switch the wallets up here directly. Now here you have the Ignite tab, which basically utilizes their advanced algorithm to find and track the next runner. And here it's basically the same. You could just go ahead, set your presets. You could go ahead and change this ladder up top over here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and find different meme coins that are potential next runners. So that's how Ignite works. You also have the wallet tracker, where you can add on different wallets and then just track them, which is amazing. I have a separate tutorial on how to use that, so go watch that too if you want to know how to use the wallet tracker. Then you have their monitor over here, where you can basically track real-time events while you trade, which is amazing. So here you could see Truth and Discord, okay? And you could just connect your accounts over here on the right-hand side. And then here you can see your holdings. So you can see the holdings for a specific wallet of yours and what basically assets you're holding, how much you've invested, how much there's remaining, and how much you have sold. You could also see your P&L over here. This is how it looks like. There we go. And then you can go to the Earn tab up here, and inside the Earn tab, you can get your own referral link. You could also level up to different levels to get even more cash back over here on the right. You could do your challenges up here, like the daily quests, the weekly missions, okay, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do pretty much on here. And yeah, of course, earn some Solana that way, earn some points and stuff like that, and then get some nice rewards and bonuses. Okay, so that's basically the main things you're going to be using up here. Now here you can see your current holdings. So if you're currently are buying into some meme coins, you'll be able to see your current holdings over here. And then up here, this button is going to show you the new features. You also have the search box where you can search for names, tickers, different meme coins, etc. You can switch the wallets up here right away. And here you can also see your level and how you're doing, how close you are in percentages, as well as in Solana terms to the next target, okay? Top right is going to be your account. You can reset local cache, log out, see their documentation, access wallet manager yet again, and then down here at the bottom allows you to pop on the wallet tracker anywhere on your screen. You could also go right away to your monitor in case you are monitoring any accounts. You could also see your alerts over here, so in case you have any set alerts. And then down here you could also see your P&L tracker, which can also be on your screen just like that. Down at the bottom right, you can see there's prices for different tokens. You can see how your connection is doing, how much FPS you have, and then you can also hide your watch lists and holdings if you want to, which is this tab up top. And here you also have the settings, which we've already seen. So for the presets, stuff like that, you could change your region over here in case something is lagging for you or not the correct region is selected. And lastly, down at the bottom right, you could then go ahead and see their docs over here and everything regarding the platform. So that's pretty much kind of a walkthrough of how this works and how to use it. So I hope this video helped you out. Again, if you want to sign up, link down below, make sure you check it out and grab your 20% cash back. So make sure, of course, you use that as I showed you over here and use it to actually find good meme coins, and good luck with doing that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.